Hi, hello, welcome. This is our YouTube channel, True Engineers. In this video, we are going to see how to draw a church building. Initially, select top line, select a center rectangle, draw a rectangle, select smart dimension, width of the rectangle around 8400 and length is around 15,320. Okay, features: extrude, please extrude around 600. Click OK button. Okay, then again select a plane, draw a rectangle like that, select smart dimension. From the front we need a gap around 2130. Okay, then select a rectangle, select offset command, offset around 230 means 9 inch. Okay, reverse, click OK button. Then features: extrude, and 5000, extrude around 5000. Click OK button. We can get like that. Okay, after that select the front plane, change the view, front view, select a center line, draw a line like that. After that select line command, draw a line like this, escape, center point arc, do the arc. This now we draw a sketch for a door. Okay, smart dimension, the gap for the door is around total 2500. half of the gap 1225. Okay, height 2450. Sorry, the gap of the door is 2450, not 2500. Arc radius is 2153. Okay, and mirror the sketch. Features: extrude cut, and please select the contour, whatever we need to cut. Selected, click OK button. Now we can get the door cut. After that select a front view, sketch on the plane, select line command, draw a line at the mid. Height of the line is 1500. Okay, and select the line and make it construction geometry. After that select a line and draw like that. Okay, escape, select the two lines, offset around 5 mm. Okay, click OK button. Before extrude command we need to close the sketch, then only we can extrude the sheet. This for a roof sheet. Extrude up to last back end. For that we select up to surface. Select a surface. Click OK button. Yeah. Now select a right face. Select a sketch. Select a center line. And draw a center line like this. This for our reference. After that again select a center line. From the midpoint draw a line vertical like this. After that select a line command. This now we draw for a side door. Center point arc like that. After that select smart dimension. The width of the door is around 2000. The half of the door dimension 1000. Okay. Arc radius is around 2590. And the height of the door is around 2450. Okay. And mirror the sketch. Select a center line. OK button. We need to close the sketch. Then only we can get a extrude cut. Select extrude cut. The wall thickness is 230 mm. Extrude cut. Okay. We get the side door. After that select a top line. Select a center line. Now we draw a side door steps. Okay. Draw a center line like this from the center point. After that select a rectangle. Draw a rectangle like this. Smart dimension. Width of the staircase 800 mm. And the length is around 3200. 3200. Okay. And after that select a line's midpoint and center line make coincident. Extrude around 200 mm. Okay. Yeah, it's over. After that sketch on the staircase. Make offset 200 mm. Select a line and draw like that. Like this. Sorry. After that select a trim command. Trim the line. Okay. Futures extrude again 200 mm. Okay. Then do the same. Sketch on the staircase. Offset 200 mm. Reverse direction. Click OK button. Line command. Draw a line like this. and again do the trim the line, just extrude 200 mm. Yeah, okay, click OK button. Now we complete the staircase. After that, select a face, select sketch, rectangle, do a rectangle, sketch a rectangle like this, and height of the rectangle is around 200 mm. Features: revolve, extrude, axis of rotation, select as line, total 90 degree, rotate the direction, click OK button. This for a main staircase. Again do the same, click a plane face, select sketch, draw a rectangle, smart dimension, height of the rectangle is around 200 mm, and again features: revolve, extrude, select the axis of rotation line. Now we extrude around 60 degree, change the direction, click OK button. Then again do the same, select a face, make sketch, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle, features: revolve, extrude, select the axis of rotation, make 30 degree, 30, 60 and 90. Okay, change the direction, click OK button. The each revolve, extrude, kindly unselect the merge result. Okay, and select the mirror command, mirror face, right plane, and select a three features whatever we need to mirror, click OK button. We can get on the left side also. Okay, after that select the face, select sketch, select a center line and draw like this for our reference. Now we plan for draw a window. Draw a center line like this from the bottom around 500 mm. Select a rectangle, draw a rectangle like this, select a smart dimension. The width of the rectangle is 256. Okay, and the length of the rectangle is around 840. From the center line we need a gap of 25 mm. From the below center line we need a gap of 50 mm. Okay, yeah, it's over. Then after that select a linear pattern in the y direction and select the sketches whatever we need to pattern. In the x direction distance is 306. Totally we need 5 counts, so change the count 5. Okay, and in the x direction we need a 2 counts and distance is around 890. Okay, now we can get. After that, select your line command, draw a sketch like you see. Look like a rectangle. Select a smart dimension. Gap is 50 mm. Okay. After that, the height of the triangle is 580 mm. Okay. Select a fillet. Make a radius of 200 mm and click OK button. Okay. After that, select a line command. Draw a line like this. Smart dimension. For each line, we can need a gap of 50 mm. Center also 50 mm. Left side 50 mm. And bottom also same 50 mm. Okay. After that, select offset command and select a top portion we need to offset. Offset distance is 50 mm. And we need to join the two lines. For that, I select the line command and do the same. Okay, and trim the extender line. After that, select the two lines. Mirror to the opposite side. Okay, click OK button. Then select the fillet command. Select the points, whatever we need to fillet. Fillet radius is around 50 mm, 50 mm. Okay, click OK button. And before select all selection, we need to draw a center line for a mirroring purpose. Select all sketch and mirror command. Mirror about line. Select a center line and click OK button. After that, use extrude cut around 100 mm. For the contour, select the in between gaps. Cut around 100 mm. Yeah, windows are completed. After that, select the face, make sketch, select a center line, click escape button. from the bottom gap is 500 mm. Select a rectangle, not a rectangle, center line. Now draw a rectangle, smart dimension. The gap between bottom line to top rectangle 50 mm, and width of the rectangle is again same 256, and length of the rectangle is around 1065. Okay, and the gap between center line to rectangle is 25 mm. Okay, and escape, select a sketch, linear pattern. In the y direction, distance is 306, count is around 5. In the x direction, we need 2 counts, and distance is 1115, 1115. Click OK button. After that, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle like this, select smart dimension. In the all the direction, we need a 50 mm gap. Okay, gaps. And select a fillet command and select the points, whatever I do, and click OK button. Fillet radius is around 50 mm. Okay, after that, select a center line, draw like this for a mirroring purpose. Select a sketch, select a mirror command, mirroring about, select this center line. Okay, and click OK button. Now select extrude cut, cutting distance 100 mm, click OK button. Okay, the windows are completed. Okay, after that, select the face and select a sketch also. Select a line command, draw a line like this, select smart dimension. From the bottom, the line height is 3300. Select a offset command, offset distance is 150 towards top. Select a center point arc, draw a arc like this. Okay, select smart dimension. The arc radius is around 1870, and again select a center point arc, draw a arc like same like this. arc radius is around 1620. Okay, and after that sorry, not 1620, 1720. Okay, after that select trim command, trim the same. Okay, and close the sketch. Okay, then again select a smart dimension. For the longer line length is around 2900. This direction also same. In the upper line, the dimension is around 2700. There also 2700. Okay, sorry, the radius is not 720, it's 1620. And select extrude command, extrude up to surface, this surface. Okay, after that select the face, this face, select sketch command, change the view, top view, select a circle, draw a circle like this, and another one circle. Okay, select smart dimension. From the center point to this point, circle point distance 126. This circle diameter is around 64. This circle okay, this circle diameter is around 300 mm. Change to 300. Okay, now select the small circle, make a circular pattern, delete the point and select the center point and increase the count to the pattern. $18 numbers. Click OK button. Select trim command and trim like this. Click OK button. And delete the arcs. We don't need that arcs. Delete, select and delete. Okay, and select the circle and make a construction geometry. Select smart dimension, select a center point. From the center point to that line need a gap of 200 mm. From the side also same 200 mm. Then select this whole sketch, select a linear pattern. In the x direction we need a 2400 distance, two numbers. It touches the roof, arc of the roof, so reduce the distance. Final distance 2300. Click OK button. We need to draw the same on that side also. For that we prefer mirror command. For the mirror command we need the geometry of center line. Two sketches are selected, mirror command also selected, mirror about the center line also selected. Click OK button. We can get. After that extrude, click on extrude command. We need to extrude up to the roof slab. Click OK button. Okay, now we can get the pillars. After that select a fillet command and select the two edges. Fillet around 200 mm. Click OK button. Okay, select the face, select sketch also, and change the view to right side. Select a rectangle, draw a rectangle like this only for a design purpose. For the width of the rectangle is around 50 mm. Okay, from the floor to rectangle height is around 200 mm. Okay, and select a line, draw a line on the door. Like this. Okay, select a trim command, trim the door features, extrude around 10 mm. Click OK button. This is only for a design. After that select the face, change the view, select sketch, select a line command, draw a line like this. This for a, now we draw a front arch. Select a spline and make a dot like this. This portion having some difficult, kindly carefully watch the video. Okay, and after that select a line. Now how we draw a view. Initially we draw a one side portion. After that we plan for a mirror the sketch. Okay, draw the same. This the half portion. Okay, after that select the smart dimension, and do the same whatever you see on the video. From the roof slab to 360 mm, and side line height is 796 mm. First point to second point distance is around 1250 mm, and first point to second point to third point vertical distance 970 mm. Center line. This is the mirroring line. Okay, and select a point and select a center line, make coincident, smart dimension. The distance is around 75 mm. This line distance is 150 mm. This line dimension 580 mm. And this line's distance is same 75 mm. Okay, after that this line height is around 620 mm. This line height is around 570 mm. Okay, and this line height is around same 620 mm. Okay, after that from this line to this line gap is around 3300 mm. Okay, select smart dimension. These 2 points height is around 260 mm. Okay, and after that manually track the points. Just like this only for a good looking purpose. Okay, yeah, it's over. After that select the point, select fillet command, fillet around 150 mm. Click OK button. Okay, after that select the sketch, mirror command, select the mirror point, center line, and click OK button. Select extrude, around 300 mm. Change the direction towards inside, click OK button. Now we can get the front. After that select this future and select the merge result. After that select the face, make sketch, select offset command, offset around 200 mm. Click OK button. Select future, extrude, and change the contour. This portion we need to extrude. Extrude thickness is around 10 mm. Merge result and click OK button. Okay, after that select the face, change the view, select sketch, select a center line, draw like this. After that select a circle, draw at the center point. Again select, draw a circle like this. The circle diameter is around 1500 mm. That circle diameter is around 338 mm. These two circles vertical distance is around 467. Okay, sorry, the small circle's diameter is 676. I wrongly typed the radius and clear the point, center point, change the count around 10 numbers, click OK button, select a trim command, trim like this. This for just a view purpose we draw the sketch. Fully trim the circle like this. It will take time, a little bit of time. Fully select the unwanted sketch. Make delete and futures, extrude cut around 10 mm, click OK button. Yeah, after that select the top line, change the view to top, select a rectangle, corner point rectangle, and draw the rectangle like this. After that select a smart dimension. The length of the rectangle is around 1920 mm, 19,200 mm, sorry, and width of the rectangle is around 18,700 mm. From the front we need a gap around 2,800 mm. Okay, and adjust the rectangle like this. Features, extrude, this for a land view, 150 mm extrude towards down direction. Change the direction, click OK button, and after that select the plane, face, sketch, change the view, sketch, and select a rectangle and draw the rectangle like this. This for a walkway purpose. All of the land are fully covered with grass, so we need a walkway. This for a walkway stones. Select extrude around 50 mm and deselect the merge result. Click OK button. Okay. and select the face, select sketch, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle like this. Dimension is around 1000 mm, and this area for a gardening purpose. Features: extrude around just 30 mm, sorry, 25 mm, 1 inch. Okay, after that select the face, this face, select sketch, change the view to front view, zoom into this, select a line. Now we plan to draw a safeguard for a gardening, and draw the sketch like this. Select smart dimension, width is around 50 mm and height is around 500 mm. Track the sketch, select the top point and the bottom lines point. Delete the line because we only need 2 points, center points, and make vertical. After that select these 2 points, by control click into horizontal. After that select the sketch, linear pattern. In the x direction distance is around 160 mm, totally 55 numbers. We don't need 2 numbers. Reduce the count to 53 and click OK button. Features: extrude around, kindly unselect the merge result, extrude around 30 mm and click OK button. And after that select this face and select a sketch command, change the view to front view, select a rectangle, zoom in, draw the rectangle like this. The width of the rectangle is around 50 mm. And after that select the, before that drag the rectangle, select the center point and select this center point also and make coincident. Okay, click OK button. Extrude command, extrude around 30 mm towards inside, click OK button. Okay, and select this face, select sketch command and select a center line, draw a center line like this. After that select a circle, draw a circle like this. This for a sunset point, sunset slab. Okay, and make offset distance is around 150 mm, click OK button. The circle's diameter is around 8640. inside circle diameter and drag the circle and select the center point of the arc and center line and make coincident. Draw the line like this. Select smart dimension. Distance from line to window 200 mm, sorry 250 mm. Select a line. Mirror about center line. Click OK button. Select trim command. Trim the unwanted circle. Click OK button. Select fillet command. Select the 4 corners. Radius is around 50 mm. Click OK button. And fully we need a same slap on that side also. For the mirror command we need a center line. We draw it and select the sketch. Select the mirror command. Mirror about center line. Click OK. Click OK button. Extrude and select the met the result. Extrude around 600 mm. Click OK button. Okay. Now we can get the part drawing of church and give the grass and whatever color you prefer for the building you can do. Now I select for the walkway stones I think stones farming. I think this looking good. Okay. For the sand gardening area I prefer sand. Okay. For the pillars I prefer yellow color. Okay. For the roof sheet I preferred little look maroon color. Not a maroon, look like red. For a gardening area protection I prefer black color. And that design I prefer a little ash color. This area that will be okay. After that, for a sunset roof I preferred same as rooftop, like maroon or red, whatever. And the stones looking some larger size. We need to reduce the size. I think now it will be okay. Yeah, finished everything. Now you can see on the isometric view. Okay, everything completed. After that, we have a one more work is pending. Open the assembly drawing, insert the church part drawing. After that, insert this in my library for a plantation. Select this plane and this plane and make coincident. Select the top view and drag the plan to center and make a linear pattern. Pattern direction is that line, around 8 numbers. Change the direction. Distance is around 1000. We have some extra gaps, so increase the distance to 1100. It goes outside, that's why I reduce the distance 50 mm. Yeah, okay, good. Click OK button. And this is our final output of our plant, of our church. Okay, and now I show you the final rendering output too for your reference. This is the final rendering output. For our rendering we use Keyshot. Thanks for watching. Keep support.